Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class. What we have to teach ourselves today is part of speech. Part of speech. Àwọn ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀. Can you pronounce that with me? Àwọn ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀. We have 8 parts of speech in Yoruba language. Orúkọ mẹ́jọ la ní nínú èdè Yorùbá. But today, we are going to check noun, which is ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ. Can you pronounce that with me? Ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ. Now, let's check them accordingly. What do we call ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ? Which means noun in Yoruba language. Ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ jẹ́ orúkọ ènìyàn, orúkọ ẹranko, orúkọ agbègbè, orúkọ nǹkan tí a lè fojú rí tàbí èyí tí a kò lè fojú rí. Ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ jẹ́ orúkọ ènìyàn, orúkọ nǹkan, orúkọ ẹranko, orúkọ agbègbè, orúkọ nǹkan tí a lè fojú rí àti èyí tí a kò lè fi ojú rí. Now, a noun is a word that functions as a name of specific objects such as living creatures, places, actions, qualities, state of existence, or ideas. Now, let's check the examples we have here. Àpẹẹrẹ, which means example. Example means àpẹẹrẹ. Pronounce that with me. Àpẹẹrẹ. We have orúkọ ènìyàn. Let's take a good look at example of orúkọ ènìyàn. That is human name. Human name. Táyọ̀, Ṣayọ̀, Adéwálé, Abíbílí. Abíbílí means àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. We have orúkọ ẹranko. That is names of animal. Names of animal. Orúkọ ẹranko. We have ajá. Ajá means dog. Dog. We have ẹyẹ. Ẹyẹ means bird. We have ehoro. 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 Ehoro means rabbit. We have ẹkùn. Ẹkùn. Ẹkùn means tiger. And so on and so forth. Abíbílí. We have orúkọ agbègbè. That is name of places. Names of places. Orúkọ agbègbè. Names of places. We have Èkó, Abẹ́òkúta, Ìbàdàn, Abíbílí, and so on and so forth. We have Èkó, Abẹ́òkúta, Ìbàdàn, largest city in the West Africa, Abíbílí, and so on and so forth. We have orúkọ nǹkan àfojúrí. Orúkọ nǹkan àfojúrí. That is name of thing which we can see. Names of things we can see with our eyes. We have àga. Àga. I think we all know what àga means. Àga means chair. 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 What we use to sit. Chair. Àga. We have ìwé. Ìwé means book. Ìwé. Ìwé means book. We have ife. Ife. Ife means cup. Cup. Abíbílí, and so on and so forth. Now let's take a look at this. Orúkọ nǹkan tí a kò lè fojú rí. Tí orúkọ nǹkan tí a kò lè fojú rí, that is names of invisible things. Names of invisible things. Things we can't see with our eyes, things we can't touch, things we can't hold. Orúkọ nǹkan tí a kò lè fojú rí. Orúkọ nǹkan àfojúrí means names of visible things which we can see, we can touch, which we can feel with our hands. That's orúkọ nǹkan àfojúrí. But orúkọ nǹkan tí a kò lè fojú rí means names of things we cannot see, names of things we can't touch. We can only feel them. One is ìdùnnú. Ìdùnnú. Ìdùnnú means happiness. 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 Secondly, ayọ̀. Ayọ̀ means joy. 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 Ẹkún. Ẹkún means cry. Cry. There is one which I'm going to add as bonus for you, which is ìfẹ́. Ìfẹ́ means love. Ìfẹ́ means love. Love. Ìfẹ́. If you want to tell someone I love you. If you want to tell someone I love you, that means mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. And so on and so forth. Thank you. If you really enjoyed this class, I would like you to follow us on our platform, Yoruba Worldview. Just search for Yoruba Worldview, and you're gonna enjoy more of our classes. Thank you.